Hello YouTube. So today I got a package. It's one of my parts for my pit bike, and I didn't really know what it was because I ordered everything all at once for my pit bike, the Loncin 125 anyways. And so basically what I got is this. Got my rectifier / regulator for my pit bike so I can start doing all my wiring for my lights. Obviously you can see there's a green, yellow, pink, and red. I have to figure out what all that means. I know that green is ground. I'm guessing yellow is going to be the yellow from the stator. Then the pink or red is going to be the white. And one's going to be one of them's going to be the. Actually, I think the pink might be the white, and the red might be the red that goes out to. Yeah, the red, and the red is going to be the red that is going to be the positive for all the lights and switches, and then ground will be basically like the negative for all of the accessories. So basically this video is just to show you guys this, that I got it in the mail. Not really an unboxing, but it was just letting you guys know, basically an update. Thanks for watching.